Have you ever wondered why so many people are crazy about BMWs, yet some grumble that they're bottomless money pits? This German brand is renowned for its sporty driving feel, smooth engines, and luxurious design, but not every model is worth your investment. Some become enduring legends, growing more beloved with every drive, while others are just shiny on the outside, hiding a long list of potential issues within. In this video, we'll break down 3 BMW models to steer clear of and 4 that are truly worth owning, so your dream of a luxury car doesn't turn into a repair nightmare. Comment 1 if you enjoy the video, or 2 if you don't. Thanks. Three worst BMW models to avoid. BMW X5 First Generation, E53, 2000 to 2006. The first generation BMW X5, the E53, 2000 to 2006, was once hailed as a game changer when BMW boldly entered the SUV arena. At the time, it offered a rare, sporty driving experience for a high-riding vehicle, blending luxury and dynamism, enough to win over countless customers worldwide. But as the initial excitement faded, the truth emerged. The E53 is like a beautiful but troubled romance, leaving many owners sighing with regret. The biggest pain point is the automatic transmission. The V8 4.4i and 4.6 models, expected to be powerful workhorses, often fail before reaching 100,000 miles. The sight of a car suddenly stalling, paired with a massive repair bill, has become a shared nightmare. Beyond that, a slew of electrical issues, from door locks and power windows to air conditioning and cooling systems, keeps owners trapped in a cycle of fix, fail, and fix again. Even seemingly minor details like door handles can frustrate with constant small breakdowns. Notably, in today's used car market, many E53s are listed at temptingly low prices. But beneath that glossy exterior often lurk thousands of dollars in potential repair costs. Unless you're a DIY enthusiast with a full toolbox and plenty of time, owning an X5 E53 is like inviting trouble home. It still carries the charm of a golden era, but in reality, it's more of a nostalgic museum piece than a reliable long-term companion. So the question is, are the elegant looks and BMW badge enough to gamble your wallet and patience? Or will you wisely move on to safer, more dependable options for your journey ahead? BMW 7 Series E65 E66, 2002 to 2005. The BMW 7 Series E65 E66, 2002 to 2005, was once seen as a bold leap forward for the German brand. It marked the debut of iDrive, the central control system BMW pitched as the future of automotive technology. Sounds enticing, but in practice, it felt like an expensive beta test conducted on customers. Users constantly complained about its confusing interface, frequent glitches, and the feeling of being tech guinea pigs. Beyond iDrive, the entire car is like a complex electronic maze. From the electrical system and sensors to the smallest components, everything seems prone to malfunction. Many owners report that every trip to the mechanic spirals into a cycle of diagnostics, replacements, and thousands of dollars in bills, often without fully resolving the issue. For a luxury sedan, this is more exhausting than enjoyable. And the V8 4.4L engine in the 745i? Initially smooth and powerful, it becomes a nightmare over time. Oil leaks, timing system failures, and most critically, faulty valve stem seals can cost owners $5,000 or more to fix. When these cars dip below $10,000 on the used market, many think they've scored a bargain, only to fall into a trap of massive repair costs. Owning an E65 E66 is like dating a high-maintenance celebrity, glamorous and alluring, but behind the shine lies a string of issues that drain your patience and finances. The question is, do you dare risk it for that fleeting glamour, or will you sensibly seek a luxurious yet less troublesome alternative? BMW 535i F10, 2011 to 2016. The BMW 535i F10, 2011 to 2016, was introduced as a masterpiece, blending elegant design, a luxurious interior, and a powerful engine. Many were instantly captivated by its polished look, believing it to be the ideal sedan for both work and play. However, behind that glamorous facade, the 535i F10 hides a string of issues that leave many owners feeling like they're in a love-hate triangle, adoring it, resenting it, and feeling helpless. The biggest headache lies in its heart, the N55 turbocharged inline-six engine. When running smoothly, it delivers irresistible performance, with impressive acceleration and the signature BMW driving feel. But after 60,000 to 80,000 miles, a host of problems start to surface. Faulty high-pressure fuel pumps, leaking oil filter gaskets, and malfunctioning VVT solenoids. Worse yet, the turbo, the very feature that makes this car so thrilling, tends to degrade with high mileage, and replacement costs are far from cheap. Sound familiar? It's like falling for someone who's perfect on stage but a headache backstage. When the 535i glides smoothly, it feels like savoring a fine glass of wine. But one small issue can plunge you back into harsh reality, facing repair bills that can climb into the thousands. This contradiction turns ownership into an emotional roller coaster. Exhilarating moments behind the wheel, followed by frustration when the car spends days in the shop. That's why mechanics and seasoned BMW enthusiasts alike warn about the F10 535i. If you're not ready to pay up and stay patient, you're better off looking at other options, where the thrill of driving isn't overshadowed by repair costs and uncertainty. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. 4 best BMW models worth buying. BMW 328i E90, 2006 to 2011 N52 engine. The BMW 328i E90, 2006 to 2011 N52 engine is considered by many to be the last true BMW, capturing the brand's pure driving spirit. This was the era before turbochargers, dual-clutch transmissions, and complex electronics crept into every corner. In other words, the E90 328i is a reminder that sometimes simplicity delivers the most lasting value. The heart of the car, the N52 engine, is not only renowned for its smoothness, but also regarded as one of the most reliable engines BMW ever built. No turbo to worry about braking, no high-pressure fuel pump to cause trouble, and the N52 delivers a silky smooth driving experience, powerful enough for daily commutes, and, crucially, easy to maintain. With regular maintenance, many have surpassed 200,000 miles while still running smoothly, proving that German engineering can match the reliability of a Toyota or Honda. But the E90 328i isn't just durable. It retains the essence BMW fans crave: precise steering, a balanced chassis, and a seamless connection between driver and road. Behind the wheel, it's easy to see why BMW was once called the ultimate driving machine. This isn't a car that dazzles with tech. It's one that makes you smile with a perfectly executed turn or a smooth overtake on the highway. The used car market still offers plenty of E90 328i models at reasonable prices. Unlike other BMWs that can become money pits, this one is seen as a safe bet for those new to the BMW world. You get the signature driving experience while keeping maintenance costs manageable. The question is, are you ready to seize the chance to own a piece of BMW history, where simplicity, reliability, and pure driving joy converge in a charming sedan? BMW 540i G30, 2017 present B58 engine. The BMW 540i G30, 2017 present B58 engine is clear proof that BMW can still craft a luxury sedan that's both modern and reliable. While many German cars are criticized for finicky electronics or fragile engines, the 540i offers rare peace of mind. The key lies in its heart, the B58 engine. This turbocharged inline-six is regarded as one of BMW's most successful engines in 2 decades. Powerful, smooth, and notably less prone to minor issues than its predecessors, the N55 or N54. Paired with the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, the 540i's driving experience is truly exceptional. Every acceleration is seamless and decisive, yet never harsh. In comfort mode, you get a serene, quiet sedan perfect for long business trips. Switch to sport mode, and over 330 horsepower is unleashed, transforming the 540i into a true highway warrior. Inside, the cabin is designed to pamper both driver and passengers. Premium leather, a crisp display, and modern standard safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. What's interesting is that, despite packing plenty of technology, this model avoids the electronics overload that plagues many other European competitors. It strikes a balance between functionality and durability, a rare feat for a luxury sedan. The 540i G30 thus becomes a compelling choice for those who want to experience BMW's refinement without constant trips to the repair shop. If you had the chance to own a sedan that's elegant, powerful, and reliable enough for a long-term commitment, would you choose the 540i to make every journey a fulfilling experience? BMW 2 Series F22 2014 to 2021. The BMW 2 Series F22 2014 to 2021 is like a love letter from BMW to those who still cherish the brand's pure driving essence. In an era where sedans are growing larger, packed with technology, and sometimes losing their connection with the driver, the F22 takes a different path. Compact rear-wheel drive, precise steering, and a direct driving feel. It reminds you of the days when BMW built cars for enthusiasts, not just to showcase tech. The 228i with its turbocharged inline-4 engine delivers just enough performance for daily needs, while the M235i with its N55 inline-6 awakens your sporty instincts with every press of the throttle. The beauty lies in how both are wrapped in a compact coupe body that's easy to handle, understated yet capable of making you smile every time you take a corner. The F22's chassis is tuned for both firmness and agility, turning mountain roads or city corners into your personal stage. Surprisingly, the F22's reliability exceeds expectations. It avoids the chronic issues that plague some other BMWs from the same era. With regular maintenance, it runs smoothly, sparing owners the dread of seeing warning lights on the dashboard. Even better, repair and replacement part costs are more manageable than those of its larger BMW siblings. In a market flooded with SUVs, the BMW 2 Series F22 is a reminder: driving joy still exists if you pick the right car. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a companion that sparks emotion, making every trip more vibrant. So, do you dare return to the simple, streamlined, yet utterly captivating experience the F22 offers? BMW Z4 E85 E86 2003 to 2008. The BMW Z4 E85 E86 2003 to 2008 is living proof that some cars grow more cherished with time. When it debuted, the Z4 lived in the shadow of its predecessor, the Z3, a car that stole the spotlight in Hollywood and among collectors. But over time, the E85 convertible and E86 coupe proved they weren't just a pale imitation. They carved out their own chapter in BMW's history. The Z4's biggest strength is its less is more philosophy. No endless drive modes, no overly complex electronics, just an engine, rear-wheel drive, steering, and chassis. The M54 and later N52 engines are both highly regarded for their durability and smoothness. No turbo, no fragile high-pressure fuel pumps, just reliable, naturally aspirated engines that let you start the car and hit the road with confidence. In its convertible form, the Z4 E85 delivers a liberating driving experience. With the top down, wind rushing through the cabin and the engine's hum resonating, it creates a feeling that SUVs or sedans can't replicate. Meanwhile, the E86 coupe exudes refinement and solidity, with its bold fastback design and rigid chassis, making it ideal for those who want a car that's both beautiful and slightly more practical. What surprises many is that maintaining a Z4 doesn't burn a hole in your wallet like some other BMWs of the era. Parts are widely available, the design is straightforward, and maintenance resources are plentiful. Keeping a Z4 in top shape isn't overwhelming. For those who want a BMW to enjoy, not to nurse, the Z4 E85 E86 is the perfect suggestion. Perhaps that's why the Z4 is increasingly beloved. It's not the flashiest model, but it fosters a genuine connection between driver and machine. So, the question for you: if you could choose a car to drive purely for joy, not practicality, would the Z4 make your dream list? Looking back, not every BMW is worth the money. The X5 E53, 7 Series E65 E66, and 535i F10 offer glamorous exteriors, but come with huge cost risks. Meanwhile, the 328i E90, 540i G30, 2 Series F22, and Z4 E85 E86 are smarter choices. They deliver BMW's signature driving feel while being more reliable and easier to maintain. The real lesson: don't let a low price or brand prestige blind you. Choose the right generation to make your BMW dream a worthwhile experience. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.